Whew. Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day for Amazon. It is day 51. Yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning. Starting it early today. Let's go. It's only 6 o'clock. Only a few minutes past 6. You're already seeing airplanes flying. You're already seeing U-Hauls, friggin' semi, whatever, all that good stuff moving around, people running around. It's crazy. I love it. Woo. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Look at this building glow. Let's give a big shout out to the night crew who are always here packing up the toast for all the drivers in the morning. Let's go. Bruh, guarantee it's so quiet over here in the parking lot. Oh, nice.
Figaro, Figaro, Figaro. Oh, oh.
I'd never know we have Asian music station over here. That's what's up, bro. Ha! Oh, we opening the gate for Amazon Gate for all the DSP. We're gonna drop off this Malasara and Loco Moco, me and Brother Junior. We're doing our thing. Yes, So it's 7:30 right now, and of course there's a lot of traffic, a lot of noise. Wow, that was like hour and a half ago that it was kind of quiet, but still had people moving around and stuff. Love it. I'm gonna head home, rest a little bit, and then get out once again and do my thing. So today, if all goes well, I'm gonna recycle today, so they're gonna send me out later. If all goes well, I'm gonna hit Ula. Yes, sir.
Still here chatting. I know that tomorrow's Thanksgiving, but everybody's focused. Safety is paramount, right? But with that being said, we have a bunch of rescuers here. Every single one will be used today. With rescuers at
I may find somebody else. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hey, I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your families, right? Spend that time. We're getting busy over the next 3 weeks. It's going to be crazy, right? So take that time and enjoy your family and your friends, right? Shoots. Aloha.
If you have questions, the search function on this.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you. Ooh, but I guarantee I stay Kanye side, Hui Manu side. Yes, sir. Beautiful countryside. Wow. I'll tell you guys right now, Kanye is beautiful. Oh, Hui Manu Road. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I have officially reached an address that says 001. And the package number is 1. I mean, how do you do that? I stay here in Hauula, and my goodness, it is a beautiful place. So peaceful. Oh, nice and beautiful. Nice and cool around here too. Like, wow. What's up, everybody? All the way up in Wildlife Valley Road, and it's beautiful out here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of the day. Heading back in now. It was a good day, a good run. All the way from Salt Lake to Ahula. Good views. Hope you guys enjoy this. By the way, I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving from here to there.
So guys, my name is Jason. Happy Thanksgiving from everyone from Baba Transportation.
My name is Denver. I'm one of the Bobtail drivers. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Have a great time, you guys.
Hey, how's it going? My name's Ketty, Bubba Transportation. Happy Thanksgiving. Aloha.
Hey you guys, my name is Dakota. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving from the Baba team here at Amazon.
Junior, happy Thanksgiving from Baba. Yes.
Hey, my name is Angel. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
Yo, my name is Seth, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys from Baba Transportation.
Hello, my name is Taylor Mason. Want to wish everyone at the Baba team a happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, my name is Tyler. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
Hi, I'm Matthew Hall, and I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
How's it guys? My name is Remy. Want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody from Baba team.
Hi, my name is Morgan. I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
Hi, this is Sherelle Boyd, and I'm here to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
Oh my gosh, I so didn't see you there. I know that you were recording. Hi, my name is Francis. Happy Thanksgiving from Baba.
Oh, hello. My name's Tony. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays from Baba to you. To you.
Hi, my name is Seppo, and I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving from Baba Transportation.
Happy Thanksgiving from the Baba family.
Yeah.